Track 8.
Hi, Jane.
Oh, hi, Mark.
I'm really looking forward to the food festival. I love Chinese food, and I hope our friends can come.
Well, I'm afraid most of them are busy.
What, even Marco? He always says he has nothing to do and that he's interested in trying new food.
Mohammed says Marco has no money. Mohammed can't go because he's helping his flatmate decorate his room.
But the festival is free.
Yes, but we have to go there on the underground, and I'm sure he'll want to buy some food when he's there.
Well, I don't have much money either. Perhaps Pierre could lend him some? He's got a job and he is Marco's best friend.
Oh, Pierre can't come either.
Really? Is he at work? All he thinks about is work.
No, his parents are coming from France and he's going to show them around London. You know, Big Ben, Tower Bridge.
OK, what about Hang Yi? Her mother owns a Chinese restaurant. She must be interested.
She is, but she's going to help with the cooking for her family's party on the day we're going. I don't know about Lucy and Larissa, though.
Well, I phoned Lucy, but her flatmate said she was on holiday in Italy and won't be back until the week after the festival.
I didn't even know she was on holiday. And Larissa?
She's got a really important exam, so she needs to prepare for it.
Well, it looks like it's just going to be you and me then. Not to worry, we'll take lots of photos to show everyone.